Hi everyone, my name is Angeline Amor Pulgarinas from BTLED IA3B. I am here to you to show how to wear proper wear of PPE and proper use of tools and equipments. Let's go! First, the helmet. Safety helmet, also known as hard hats, can prevent or minimize injuries to the head and brain, protecting against falling objects or debris impact with other objects, like electric shock and rain. Most head injuries can be avoided if the proper head protection is selected, used, and maintained only. Second is vest or safety vest. So safety vest is allowed to the wearer to be seen and to alert all the person is present, especially in a low visibility situation. A safety vest is constructed out of reflective material and typically come in a slew of bright colors. Third is gloves or safety gloves. Safety gloves are protective garments that are offer protection to your hands, finger, thumbs, and wrists against particular external forces, chemicals, elements, and hazard in a workplace. And that's all. Thank you. Bye. First is the hammer that consists a handle and striking head that hold in the center to receive a wooden handle. Second is the measuring tape. So measuring tape is a flexible tool used for measuring length and has a centimeter and inches. Long nose plier used to grip small object, reach awkward places, holding wires. Proper use of side cutting plier is in electrical, communication, and construction work. And lastly is the combination plier. Combination plier is used compressing, bending, twisting, extracting, and cutting. That's all.